Hello and welcome to ISAMS News. Today we have with us Richa Yamini, who is a creative television professional. In her 25-year of young career, she launched several successful primetime television shows. She started her career with Balaji Telefilms with a path-breaking show Kutum and did many other shows like Geet, Kaisi Ye Yariya on popular TV channels like Z, MTV and Star Plus. Ma'am, welcome to our channel.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Ma'am, I would like to know about your extraordinary journey from Patna to Mumbai.
It's been long and eventful. I'm sure all journeys are. I have done my graduation from Patna and then moved to Mumbai to do my post graduation and then started working there. I've worked with varied production houses, including Balaji Telefilms. And since childhood, I enjoyed telling stories, and I wanted to tell stories however I could. And television gave me that medium to kind of uh, gave an outlet to my creativity, so to say. I'm sure all the kids tell stories. Oh, I saw a monster, and this happened, that happened, and I actually kind of got a chance to give form to those stories, and that's what I enjoy about it, giving form to the stories, and that is how I have progressed. In the industry, because I was good at storytelling. I think that's my strength, storytelling.
Ma'am, would you like to give some tips to the student that how they can enter the industry?
I think the first step is that believe in yourself, that you can do it. I thought when I was talking to the class, I really felt that there was this feeling that we might not make it. I think that is when I started off, I was like, I'm going to make this happen. I think that's the first step, that you need to believe in yourself that you're going to make this happen. And then it would eventually happen. And as I was talking in the class, you need to kind of read, watch a lot, so that you have an opinion of on the content that is being created. And also then people get to know that what kind of content you would like to make, because then generally you want to make content that you like. So that is a step. Also knowing your audience is definitely, and pick up any job that you want. I think that is very important, that to get some kind of hands-on experience off the floor, because that is very different from the classroom theories that we kind of learn.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me your time.
Thank you for having me. It was lovely talking to all of you.
Thank you everyone for watching this short interview. We will meet again. Till then, bye-bye.